Now we learn revolve wash and revolve cut. This is the 4 level. Okay, just choose front plane and sketch, and just go to this line and click center line and sketch a center line. This origin point, just click this origin point to this. Now move it this left side and right side. If you confirm it is vertical, just when you will get symbol, this yellow symbol as a vertical, at that time you will confirm your sketch is vertical. If you sketch angle, just little angle, you will not see the yellow symbol. Just move it on this origin, just see yellow symbol is available visual, so we will confirm that your sketch is vertical. Just click and again right click and select. Now go to this line and sketch this point to right side and this point to downward, and again click this point to left side. Just right click and select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, just make it dimension, just go to a smart dimension, make it dimension, this dimension, suppose I will make it 150, click enter, and again make it, just click and click 40, click enter. Now our dimension is fully defined. Just we will revolve it. Just go to feature and click revolve wash base. Just click and asking the sketch is currently open, a non-thin revolution. Just would you like to this sketch to automatically close? Just yes, okay, just click. Now see, it is automatically selected as the axis line. Just now click OK. Now see, our revolve wash is created. Now we'll learn revolve cut. So just click front plane and click sketch. Now we'll go to this side and click 3-point arc and sketch a 3-point arc. Suppose this point to this origin point and click and just move it and drag. Just move it upward and downward. Just click here and right click and select OK. Just drag it. It will not drag because it is fixed. So just click here, right click and delete this, and again drag it in this little half. Now OK. Now again sketch this line and sketch this point to this point, and again this point to this point, and again this point to this point. Now see this point to this point, click OK and right click, select OK. Now our sketch is created. So now go to this feature and click revolve cut and select this origin. This is our origin. Just I will click this origin. See, this is our origin. Now see, it is revolve cut. It is visual. So now we will click this OK. Now see, it is revolve cut. Okay. This is the cut of revolve. Okay, thank you for watching.